So yesterday we took a look at the Torras stand case. I actually have the white one on my phone still. They also sent us their Torras screen protector right here. What I think I would like about this, because a lot of people, you know what, none of us like to put screen protectors on because they can be difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the screen protector and we're going to install it on my phone and see if it's easy. It's called the Glass Go Tempered Screen Protector 2-pack. You're looking at about $42 Canadian. This is Canadian dollars. As far as I can tell, based on their images on their website, it looks like it comes with an applicator, and they say it's military grade screen protector, and it should be easy to install. So that's kind of the hope. So anyways, it comes in a fairly big box, which is good. And again, I don't have a screen protector on my phone right now, and I do encourage you guys, because getting your screen replaced can be a bit on the pricey side. Let's see how it is, right? It's not inexpensive by any means. So we open this, and it should have a cool applicator. That looks fancy. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do here. So you get this box. A box in a box, I'm guessing. That comes out. Okay, scraper is on the back. So this is going to be a scraper. This is going to be for helping you and I. See right there? Little scraper on the back. This is for helping you and I get the bubbles out. So I like that they give you a little scraper, and it's got a nice soft edge on the top, which is cool. I'm just going to put that right there. That's it. That's your applicator. Effortless installation. Auto dust assimilation, edge-to-edge protection, anti-fingerprint screen, pull. Okay, well, first off, let's take this out of this case. And just so you guys know, if you watched the video, I didn't kind of take it out. It's on there snug, which is good, right? We don't want, and I turned my light on, we don't want your phone case, when it is needed, to just fall off. So I like when a case actually has some, or requires a bit of effort to take off. So that's good. And then we get, I'm guessing, you get two screens, I believe. I believe you get two screens. Maybe I'm full of crap. Maybe this one's just a single. Yeah, maybe it's just a single. And it could be that they just sent me one because it was for demo. It does say on the thing two, so I don't 100% know. But all of this stuff is twos. There's twos all over this. Anyways, this says activate your warranty. This is your manual. So let's see here. You get one installation kit. This one is just a single. One screen protector replacement and a scraper. Okay, so clear the lens surface with the wet wipe. But it's weird that they give you maybe it's just, you know what, they're like there's a chance he's going to mess this up. Let's call it as it is. And they would be 100% correct. But I'm hoping that, because the cleaning cloth, that's nice, that I don't screw this up. That's my hope. So anyway, we're going to give it a cleaning. You guys, hopefully you can see all that okay. Yes. So that's our wet wipe. Cleanest this phone has been in a while. Okay. That seems, we got good lights on there, yeah? Yes. Because you don't want, last thing you want to do is finally get this on there and you realize, oh look, fingerprints underneath the screen. That would be unfortunate. And you want to make sure you do it on the black screen, because this is where you can see, you know, the majority of dust and fingerprints and stuff like that. If you have your screen like lit up, it's really hard to see all those smudges and dust and things like that. So just gotta make sure. This should be good. Okay, clean the surface, remove all the remaining dust. Okay, which is, my guess is, this is for one, this is your, I'm using this as my drying cloth, just so you guys know. And it does have, I'm guessing that one piece there is for dust. I don't seem to see any dust on here, but if you did have dust on your phone, that's what this last one is for. This guy right here, you'll actually see, I should be able to bring it out here. Yeah, it looks like just a little sticker. Yes, a dust sticker. So there's a dust absorber and a dust removal sticker. So you're supposed to do them like this, and it's very simple. Just don't be using your fingers, right? When you do this, to get all the little dust, you're not using your fingers to get all that stuff. It's just got enough sticky on it to get all that stuff off, right? Again, get yourself in some good lighting just to ensure. I'm just going to put that down there for a minute. Nope, use this one just to make sure I get all the good smudges off, right? And again, if you have some, on there already, scratches, that's sad for you, right? And then it has another one here, which is the dust removal sticker. Some reason this says step 4. So same idea. We just kind of use that to get all the stuff off. Cool. Good. Okay. Then we align a guide frame. Make sure to place it in the correct orientation and pull the long plastic sheet. So I'm guessing it even says at the top, it says pull. So I'm guessing we lift this. I'm a little leery now. Or no, I guess my guess is maybe we just put it in the bottom. We just do this. Top, bottom. Clamp that in there, I guess. It seems, right? Because it doesn't say like we have to lift this off, I don't think. Align the guidance on your phone, because it seems that they're just like dropping this on and then pull. Okay, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I am a little frightened right now because it seems like that seems way too easy. Anyways, I'm going to hold where this is, where this little, look almost like a little spongy thing, and pull. Ready? Oh, it's got some snugness right there. And you can kind of see like it's sticking itself. Maybe you guys hopefully can see that. See that it's kind of sticking itself to the screen. But I definitely have some bubbles. So let's pull this off, I'm guessing. No, see, maybe what we have to do, because it doesn't say this, maybe we have to, no. Because when I seem to want to take it off here, because it didn't, it's not quite down to the bottom. I don't want it to lift. There it comes. So on there, definitely some bubbles. You guys see the bubbles? Other than that, though, it's aligned perfectly. So now we're going to use this to just kind of push these out, right? So they realize that, yes, bubbles are definitely going to happen, right? And always kind of push out to the edges, right? In hopes that this is fish. I'm just going to leave this on the table. It's probably easier. Give it, and don't be afraid to give it some pressure, and then we're just kind of basically just popping the bubbles out, right? Moving them wherever. And there's a couple bubbles there, but I don't want this video to be 9 hours long while I get the bubbles out. Install, it seems easy enough, but just realize you're going to have to work on getting the bubbles out, right? My hope would be that if you get bubbles, you get them closer to the edges, because then they're definitely easier to get out. But screen protector, yeah, just give it some time. The applicator's good. I just wish it didn't have as many bubbles. Bubbles were big, and it seemed to kind of stick to this when I was trying to pull it off, which was kind of making shit. But maybe that's just my phone. Who knows? Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm gonna get these bubbles out, and we'll see you guys next video. Let me know if you guys use a screen protector, and if so, which one you use, and if it had an applicator, because applicators are good, right? And just make it easier to do. All right, guys, links down below if you're interested, and I will see you guys next video. Later.